Start. It is necessary that to understand following important terminology. Stop. Bailable offence means an offence which has been categorized as bailable, and in case of such offence bail can be claimed subject to fulfillment of certain conditions as a matter of right under section 436 of the CRPC. Stop. In case of bailable offences, the police are authorized to give bail to the accused at the time of arrest or detention. Stop. Non-bailable offence means an offence in which the bail cannot be granted as a matter of right except on the orders of a competent court. Stop. In such cases, the accused can apply for grant of bail under section 437 and 439 of the CRPC. Stop. Stanza. It is important to note that the grant of bail in a non-bailable offence is subject to judicial discretion of the court, and it has been mandated by the Supreme Court of India that bail, not jail, should be the governing and guiding principle. Stop. Anticipatory bail under section 438 of the CRPC means that a person who apprehends arrest on a wrong accusation of committing a non-bailable offence can apply before a competent court for a direction to police to immediately release such a person on bail in the event of arrest. Stop. However, the grant of anticipatory bail is discretionary and depends on the nature and gravity of accusations, the antecedents of the applicant, and the possibility of the applicant fleeing from justice. Stop. Cognizable offence case has been defined under section 2 within bracket C of CRPC as an offence case in which a police office can arrest without a warrant. Stop. Non-cognizable offence case has been defined under section 2 within bracket 1 of CRPC as an offence case in which a police officer has no authority to arrest without a warrant. Stop. Whether an offence case is bailable or not bailable and cognizable or non-cognizable has been qualified under the first table of the first schedule of CRPC, which relate to the offences under IPC. Stop. The first information report is formal recordable of a complaint by police in case of commission of a cognizable offence and can be considered as a first step in the process of the investigation of a cognizable offence by police. Stop. The table second of the first schedule of CRPC gives a general guideline to determine whether an offence is bailable, non-bailable, cognizable or non-cognizable. Stop. The criteria in the table below is applicable in those cases which are silent on this aspect. Stop. For easy understanding, the following criteria may be understood. Stop. Stanza. The criminal investigation process and prosecution mechanism in India can be started in any of the following manner. Stop.